We are group number 3. Our topic is AI technology for inventory management in textile industry. John Macquarie is the father of AI technology. In the present, that technology improve the reasonable extent, and lot of industry apply that AI technology very successfully. We are talking about AI technology, applications of AI technology in other countries, apply AI technology in Sri Lanka, and challenges and opportunities. Okay. As an example of AI technology, we think, have you all know about Apple Siri and Google Assistant, Tesla self-driving cars? That applications are run with AI technology, and also a Facebook application use AI technology very usefully. They monitor their users' past information and plan their future needs and wants. Have you all got that experience while using Facebook? They they monitor you and try to fulfill your needs while achieving business targets. Actually, that is very effective way. Human brain is very powerful. When we apply that part into technology, we have to build machines that have both AI with technology. Do you know how effective it is? As an example, world famous chess player couldn't win the game that play with computer because of that applications have fulfilled with AI technology. Actually speaking, technology run with AI, amazing result is there. Artificial intelligence AI is the best example for effective use of leading technology in retails and various e-commerce corporations, especially their inventory management system. AI are designed for learning, planning, and problem solving. With the use of such methodologies as time series, predictions, and learning that can applied AI helps companies to predict customer demand, manage supplier back orders, and to optimize inventory stock levels. Okay, then Prabhashi will continue.
Thank you, Rambika. Let's see the application in other countries and how it's suitable for Sri Lankan textile industry. The increased request for quality products has resulted in automation and AI being used by the textile industry to reduce labor and manufacturing costs and to deliver items according to our customer demands. Garment and textile manufacturing has historically been labor-intensive industries, as seen in how many of world's largest fashion, clothing and apparel brands seem to have a significant portion of their products manufactured in Asian countries such as China, India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, likewise. Much of the migration in textile manufacturing to the east happened over the past couple of decades when labor costs began rising in Asian countries. With increasing penetration of industrial automation in the industry, textile manufacturing business with access to historical and real-time operational data can leverage AI to improve efficiency and augment the capabilities of their human employees. The adoption of AI applications in the textile manufacturing industry is still very early. And although there are a few use cases, there doesn't appear to be widespread adoption of AI even in developed countries. Artificial intelligence is changing the fashion industry by playing a critical role in the various key divisions. From design to manufacturing, logistics, supply chain, and marketing, artificial intelligence in fashion industry is playing a huge role in transforming this industry and giving a new look to it. So as we know that textile manufacturing is the labor intensive industry from raw material to finished good, there are tedious tasks. Here AI can perform this task with a better accuracy at faster speed, reducing the extra cost on workers. AI-enabled machines and robots can easily do this task very easily. Using AI technology, supply chain management is in progress to speed up by improving routes, cutting the logistics supply and shipping costs. Also, visual perception based AI models are available, which help store owners to maintain the records of the inventory in their store and also sort items in store, helping store owners to manage their inventory with AI-backed automated solutions. Using the AI, companies automate the logistic and supply chain processes for faster delivery or find alternative and different routes for vehicles crashed by unforeseen circumstances such as bad weather or road construction. AI is also used for warehouse management and operational procurement processes. Indeed, there are improvements in AI and navigation technologies which are letting automated guided vehicles move materials between buildings and different departments. Until recently, they needed particularly physical path guiding mechanisms such as wires or tracks. Furthermore, chatbots are also used in operational procurement because they help to reduce transaction cost and sales cycle time. Overall, the use of AI in supply chain management helps in reducing the click to ship cycle time and the dropout rate. Because of this, application of artificial intelligence to supply chain management are becoming widespread in the fashion industry. These applications range from the application of machine learning to trend and demand forecasting and inventory management. By utilizing AI tools for demand forecasting is enabling retailers to reduce forecasting errors by up to 50% and simultaneously reduce inventory by 25% to 50%. In textile industries, AI can be utilized for automating transport and packaging, and the management of the supply chain is vital for the seamless movement between merchants and manufacturers of materials. Good management of the supply chain requires vast storage areas, improved warehouse management, product separation, and better communication. Through robots, RPA, machine training, IoT, and other technologies, AI may offer all these benefits. So, Naduni will continue the presentation while describing how the AI technology could apply in textile industry in Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Prapashi. When coming to the adaptations of AI technology to Sri Lanka, that has emerged as an important component of gaining competitiveness. Here, many industries have started to restructure with new technology models and upgrading their activities. But when coming to the Sri Lankan industries, we can't apply all the technologies like European countries because Sri Lankan industries environment is entirely different. That's why Sri Lanka needs to study when using this technology in its organization. Here, the field of textile industry, it can use several new technologies to adapt the artificial intelligence technology for their organization. The textile industry has increasingly adapting digitalization and big data concept using AI technology application. The main focus of the value creation here is in such area as inventory management, product and personal tracking, supply chain management, shipping method, and others. AI technology is a well-known and somewhat mature technology. Here, Sri Lanka's textile industry is one of the leading suppliers. Therefore, we can use this technology to this industry. While artificial intelligence provides the victim with the supply chain and inventory management, the textile industry must consider the subsequent of complication. This implies can increase the speed of market through the applications of advanced technology would matter more for some of major textile product of Sri Lanka remain competitors. Through this concept, progress and development of this science and technology, we can predict the future in development of textile industry in Sri Lanka. With this textile industry mindset focus on the achievement of the next best technology development, as that brings speed, ethical, and subsequent of best practice. By adding this model, we can move for faster with AI adaptation and automation implementations. However, this can change in Sri Lankan textile industry. Supply chains requires a holistic approach. While using this technology, we can face some challenges and opportunities, and that part will continue by Shanika. Shanika.
Thank you, Naduli. As a final part of our presentation, I would like to talk about challenges and opportunities implementing of AI technology of our country. There is a clear need for the development of viable and applicable legislation and policies for implementing the AI technology. Policymakers are in the valuable position of being able to develop policy that actively shapes the development of AI. And as data-driven and machine learning approaches begin to take necessary roles in society, complexity of the ethical concern arising from the introducing artificial intelligence from large-scale issues such as job losses from automation, degradation of the environment. Also, it may affect our personal relationships. Robust ethical principles are essential in the future of this rapidly developing technology. Not all countries understand ethics in the same way. So our ethical principles must be unique to our country. Setting minimum standards for corporate social responsibility reporting would encourage textile industry to clearly show how they are sharing the benefits of AI. Economic policies may be required to support workers by AI also must include policies designed to create support structures for precarious workers. Success AI development requires substantial investment, and one challenge might be the current lack of many system integrators and AI consultants specially focused on the textile industry. Next, I move towards the opportunities. Textile industry has various sources of inventory. They require receive and sharing they are available to promise fixture in real time. As such, inventory management has become increasingly complex due to assessing information global scale. It is no longer just a B2C world where one seller is engaged with multiple customers. Instead, we are seeing a B2B world amongst the broader supply chain, where multiple inventory organizations need to share or connect inventory pictures with an intuitive, seamless user experience for configuration and modification sharing and receiving available to promise inventory with and from specific suppliers requires access control to reduce lead times and gain multiple enterprise visibility into each source of demand and supply. As external partners read data from an inventory database, they need to understand how much of their inventory is still at the retailer so they can better plan with their production. Accuracy is equally important when an organization runs a national marketing campaign. Not having enough inventory, safety stock can directly impact production. The highest level, a control tower can help ensure the accuracy of and provide visibility into the performance of inventory across various channels. This helps identify any low performance or issues like delayed supply, low inventory that cause correctness can proactively adjust rather than react too late. How AI help optimize inventory management? We can talk about under three categories. First one, planning inventory replenishment. Second one, estimated time to arrival. Third one, safety stock management. Textile industry use proactive rules to approach to store and warehouses inventory, going beyond linear ruling based sourcing to meet seasonal customer needs. It is promising to see several research and development activities being carried out at universities and other institutions. Nowadays, University of Moratu has started for AI BSc degree program for the first time. That means for the year 2020-21. Most AI applications in textile today seem to involve the use of machine vision to replace or augment human examination of textile samples, usually in order to detect errors and anomalies. If Sri Lankan organization can minimize the challenges quickly, they can use artificial intelligence for the inventory management process. This is especially in high volume, fast moving production. Selection must be made in a matter of seconds, and this can happen anywhere where high speed computing makes a difference on the part of the correct response system. Well, AI is going to play an important role. Hopefully, we could shed some light regarding the role of AI in the textile industry. This is end of our presentation. Thank you.